until now we have learned very basic things for absolute beginners. From this video, in this video we will learn the editing stuff. So let's start it. If you want to make tutorials or some gaming stuff, then you will need to always use two videos. So let's do it practically. So I'm going to delete this photo and going to import another video into the second track. So in this track you can see there is an audio in this track, and in this lower track there is also an audio. So we can decrease the both audios. Simply go to the track and use this and hold it from this line and simply move it to lower side to decrease the volume, or upper side to increase the volume. You can also do the same thing for this audio. So in this audio you can also increase or decrease volume. You can also delete this audio from this video clip. We can delete it. To delete this audio, if you try to delete this whole video, it will delete the video and audio both. We need to detach this audio from this video. So let's right click on it and click on detach audio. The shortcut key is Ctrl Alt D. So click on that detach audio. So video, you can see audio is now in the new track. So now we can select it and we can simply delete this. So you can see the upper video is covered the whole thing. We want to make this video to the corner. For example, you use webcam, so then you need to use the webcam video in the corner of video. So how we will do this? Simply select that clip. So we have selected that clip and double click and click in this preview window. So when you will click on this, first select that clip and then click on the preview window. So you will find this type of corner. So you can simply drag from corner and make it small as you want. So you can use this like this. So you can use in any corner, or you can use it into any position. So we can decrease it or increase it, or you can, if you want to don't want the original ratio, then you can use this thing. It will actually distort your video, but you can do that if you need to. If you want to use the original aspect ratio, then always use the corners to move this thing. So it will be remain the original ratio. So you can use this. Let's play this. So that's how you can use the two windows. Let's learn other thing. Until now, to delete things we have used the delete button from keyboard, but delete button is also available in this timeline option. So we can simply click any video and we can click on this delete button to delete that thing. So let's select this clip, and when you will select an clip, there will be some option available. First is to split. It is the same split you have on this selector. So you have same split option available here. You can also use that. Next thing is crop and zoom. Shortcut key is Alt C. Click on that, and if you want to crop that video, you can simply click from the left or right of that, and you can simply crop this. You can move and select the position, and you can crop that video. And you can also select the original ratio, or you can also change the ratio from here. You can make it 16:9, or you can keep the original ratio. So we are using the original ratio. Just click on OK, and uh, it will be slowly uh, zoom into that. So let's play it to see the effects. So you can see the zoom effect. So it will slowly zoom into your video. So you can use this. There is another option available in the same button, crop, and there is pan and zoom. So pan and zoom is uh, sorry, when we used crop, it will only crop the video from the center. Uh, I am asking that video will be slowly zoom in. So it will zoom in from this option. So first of all, I am going to increase its uh, to original video. So let's increase it. So it is increased, and now I am going to zoom, pan and zoom. Then it will simply zoom into that video. So I can double click on it, and it will give us option to increase the zoom in area. Double click on this same in between the red lines to use this feature. So actually you need to one click on in the center of that red lines, so you can increase the area of zoom in. So it will slowly zoom into it. Let's click OK and let's play the video. So you can see it was slowly zoomed into the video. So next thing is I will recommend you to try all these things your own, so you will learn more better way to use this feature. So I'm just going to simply show this thing. You should apply this on. Next thing is video speed. So you can slow down your video. You can make it very slow, and you can also make it fast. So it will fast your video. You can also make it normal. You can freeze frame, or you can make video in reverse. So let's make it reverse, slow and fast. You can try your own. It is very simple thing. So click on reverse to see the reverse video. Just to show you, it will actually take a little bit of time to play this. So you can see it is now reversed. So you can simply go to the speed and you can make it reverse. So let's click on Ctrl Z to undo this thing. Next thing is advanced color tuning. So you can tune your video color. So you can click on that and you can tune this color. So let's upload some other video to learn this tuning. Delete all this video. So let's import some other file. So let's find the video file. Use this one, open. So yes, and simply add into the track. So let's see the color tuning on this video. Click on this color tune, and you can make color collection from here. You can click auto enhance, and you can also use these things, values and other things. So you can increase values to see the effect. You can use like this, and you can increase and decrease the both things to see what is working perfect for you. So next thing is you can increase weight balance and temperature. You can see increase temperature, tint, and these things. So you can use these things also. You can 3D effect, or you can use this kind of effect. So you can see, and this for some cool film and dark film, and you can use these things. I'm going to make it none, and some you can also increase or decrease light into it, and there are some vignette effect, very useful. This is very useful, so it will affect your corners of video. So you can increase the size of this vignette, and you can decrease the size of this from here. So you can also add feather and exposure and highlights. So you can try these things to adjust your video tone. So you can do that thing. You can also use these presets. You can see warmer, warm max, and cool max, and best boot, and lot of others. So you can use these also. So you can see, you can also use preset, or you can also make your own changes to use this thing. So in this way you can do the color correction of your video, and when you are okay to edit, then you can click OK, and it effect will be applied. So this was the original one, and now it will be like this. So in this way you can use the color tune, uh, color adjustment. Next thing is green screen. So with the help of this option you can actually remove any background color. So in the background there should be one or two colors that you can remove. So let's delete this one, and let's import some green screen video to remove green screen of that video. So you can also use the blue screen or some other simple color. So I'm going to blue or black and any one color. So let's first I think import some green color, this one. So let's drag and drop it to the timeline. So use this one, and now let's remove its green color. So click on this green screen, and this option will be appear to you. This is the chroma key. So let's you can see it's automatically removed the background color. So you can also click on this eyedropper, this pencil icon. You need to click on that, and then there will be plus icon appear here. Then with the help of plus icon, go to that color that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this green color at this time, so click on that, and color will be completely removed. So you can also reset this to original from this option, and you can use other things like lens correction, auto enhance, and drop shadow, and some stabilization. If you make the video with your mobile phone and there is a shaky effect, video is shaking, then you can use this stabilization option to uh, make it stable and make it look more perfect. So there are some also transfer option, you can rotate, flip, scale and position your video. So next thing is color. You can increase or decrease color of this thing, and you can increase the value of coloring. Next thing is motion. You can use these kind of motions into your video like this. You can see the effect. You can also use the motion on text and other things. So let's click OK. We have not removed it green screen, so let's remove this thing. Click on green screen and it will automatically remove that background. So this option is best for removing your background color. So it has automatically removed the screen. Now we can use any background into it. Click OK, and now we can use any background into this video. So let's you can use any picture in background, or you can use any video in background. Let's first use any color in background. So there are some colors to download. Let's connect internet and download some color. Connected, and let's download this one, or this one is looking more beautiful. Let's download this. So it is downloading online content. So it is now downloaded. So let's use this in background of this. Sorry, Control Z, and let's import this into this like this, and make this video to the upper side and this is to the lower side to make it as a background. So now you can see it is background is added. So you can also double click on this character. So click on that clip in which your character is. So you can use like this and this. You can also move this character and use it to anywhere else. You can also make it more smarter or make it smaller. So in this way you can use the upper clip. So that was a green screen video, how you can make green screen video. So let's import some other green screen video to learn more better. So let's open this video. So import it into this bin, match to media, and let's remove its green screen by clicking on green screen, and you can see green screen is automatically removed and our background color is added. So you can see it is looking beautiful. So you can also add a video in this background. So let's delete this picture. Okay, and let's import some video. So here is video, and let's play this again. So in this way you can use green screen effect. Next is edit. So in the edit there are some settings you have already seen: stabilization and lens correction, drop shadow and auto enhance. let's try auto enhance. So by auto enhance, your video will be automatically enhanced. It will automatically correct your audio, correct your balancing and color etc. So you can use also this thing. So we have already seen uh, these things, transform and stabilization. So okay, and now we have covered this timeline setting, green screen effect, video speed, crop, zoom and pan. So it's time to learn these audio titles, transition effects, elements and split screen. So let's start it with audio. So click on audio. So here are some audios available free to use into your projects. So you can use these audios into your project. Let's delete this audio and let's import this audio to the track. So let's play video. So you will find a lot of audios in this. You can also download from their website to get more audios. So there are some categories into it, folk and sound effect. There are some sound effects also available, beep, atomic bomb and like this. Let's try one of them, chickens, or let's try this one. So this is chicken sound. So let's play it. So in this way you can use this sounds, effects and other sound. So these are available in audio. Next thing is titles. You can add titles into your video. These are some templates of titles. There are some lower thirds you can use into your video. Let's try some uh, title. So if you want to download more titles and more audio sounds and other transition effects and elements, you can download these kind of things from this filmstocks.com. There is a website filmstocks.com of their Filmora. So you can download these kind of things from this website. So there are some pre-built templates of text. You can use any one of this. Just try this one. So let's try to make it into start and go to start. Click on text. Sorry. So you can see the text here, your title. So in this you can click on this title and you can change this by double clicking on it. So by double clicking on it, you will find this kind of things. You can apply different presets and styles. So let's apply one of them, for example this one. So you can see it is a beautiful effect. You can change text by selecting it. Delete. So I'm going to write test title. So you can increase or decrease its size from corners. So you can change its position also. So you can apply these kind of presets. Also you can do some animation onto it. like this one. So let's apply this one to the text. You can simply double click on it, on the effect you want to apply. So just double click on that. So you can use any one of them. So just double click and your uh, effect will be, animation will be applied. You can also change font from here, size, and you can write the text here. Here you can add the text. You can here change the color, text space, line space, alignment, rotate. You can rotate like this, scale and position, and all the other things are editings are available here. So you can also click on advanced to get some other editing, text editing setting. I am not going to use that things. I am going to delete the rotation. Click OK. And this was how you can add text into your video. So you can also use beautiful this lower thirds. So these are very helpful in making tutorials and other videos. So you can use a lot of lower thirds and other things. So let's use one of lower third. Click on plus to add it into the timeline. So it is now added. And actually I have a low specification computer, so you can see it is lagging little bit because I'm using the editing recording software with this, so that's why it is lagging. So let's change the text here. Just if you want to change on the text, then you can simply click on text into this preview window. If you want to get the other option of this text editing, then you need to double click on this to get these presets, animation and other things. So you can change text here, and after all the changing you can click OK, and this lower third will be applied into your video. So this is the way you can add text and titles into your videos. If you want to add a complete title like this, you can use this one, so it will cover your whole of video. You can add it into the start of your video. So that's it for titles. Next thing is transitions. So you can apply these kind of transition to text or your video or your audio clip or into the center of two videos. So let's apply one of these. Let's delete this lower third, and let's move this video to the this like this. Join these two videos, and let's apply this kind of transition into this into these videos. You can apply this into video and photos, or you can apply on two photos or one video or photo or other thing. You can also apply it onto text, and let's apply it into this video into this like this, and let's play this video from here. Let's play it. So you have seen the effect. So you can apply this kind of transition. There are a lot of transition you can also download from internet at their website, filmstocks.com, and there are already 233 effects. Transitions are already available here, so you can use any of these. There are a lot of beautiful uh, transitions. You can apply your own. So I will not waste your time into it. You can find a lot of transition and you can apply them to make beautiful videos. So next thing is effects. there are a lot of effects available. So let's try one of them. So to use these things, I should open some other media. We can also try it on this. So let's add it into this video. So you can see the effect. So there are a lot of effects available here. You can apply these into your videos. You can see the effect. So here are a lot of effects available. You can see the categories, light leaks, and like this. So let's apply one of them. So it is downloading. So to download some of effects are already downloaded. If you want to download the other effects available here, you need to connect to internet. So you can download these effects. So this is now downloaded and also applied onto our video. We can play this and it will look beautiful. So you can see it's looking beautiful. So you can use these effects. Next thing is elements. So you can add elements like this. You can see these are some text elements, and you can also download more elements from internet. So let's use this one into this. So you can see this is covering our whole video. So we can use it upside of this. You can see it has deleted our part of video from here. So take care of using these things, so because it can delete your video. So it has deleted our part of video when we moved it. So let's click Ctrl Z to go back settings, and let's apply this effect on the upper layer. So let's make it to the upper layer. So now you can see this effect is added. So we can play our video and it will be there. So next, last thing is split screen. So this is also very useful. You can use 2 screens, 3 or more. So you can see, let's apply one of this to test this thing. So let's use it here. So here I have added this. So you can add 3 videos into it. So let's add 3 videos into this, this one in this, and the second one into this, and the third one. Let's use this. So you can use, if you want to show 3 screens at a time in your video, you can do this thing. So you can see, so you can play from start to see an beautiful effect. So let's play it. So you can see it will be very beautiful. So we have learned almost all the things and editing. It's time to export our video. So let's export this. Click OK, and then click export. You can see export option is available here. You can also go to the file and export option, so you can go to export from there. So this is also an option available, export. So let's name it as test video, and you can change the resolution from here. You can change the folder from here. So if you want to save this in some other place, this is going to save in this folder, Filmora 9 output. So I am not going to change this. You can actually change it to any folder. So then you can here are some formats available: MP4, WMV, AVI, MOV, and other formats. So MP4 is working for most of platforms like YouTube and other things, working very well. So you can also change some other format like MKV, and there are some devices uh, formats. If you want if you are making video some for mobile device, then you can simply go to device and select that kind of device. Then there is next option, YouTube. So you can import directly video from here to the YouTube. You just need to sign in. From here you can see there is a sign in option available here. It will be directly exported to the YouTube. So you can sign in into YouTube. And next is Vimeo. You can also sign in Vimeo. So next thing is create for DVD. So this time I am going to make it local. So in MP4 format, and this is the duration. This is the size of that video. This is frame per rate, and this is setting. You can do all this setting. You can change encoder. You can change resolution from here, frame per rate, bit rate, and audio encoder. And you can choose from this channel. You can change mono or stereo. You can also change its bit rate. So let's click OK. If you change it, you change some settings and you forget them, you can simply click on default, and it will be change all the settings to default. This is for a better quality. If you want to good quality, you can select this option. So it will automatically change it to good, and if you want to best, so it will change all the settings to best. I am not going to go to best. I am going to click better and click OK. So let's click on export, and let's see how much time it takes to export. Actually, exporting your video will depend on the video length and video size, and also on the settings you have applied in the video. So let's export this into my computer. So now you can see the exporting is started. So it will take some time to export it. You can also uh, uh, do some sound reminder at the when video is completely exported, or you can also give is option to shut down your computer after completing this, or you can also do nothing to export after the completion of this. I am going to select sound reminder. So because I am using the video recorder software and other things, that's why this process is very slow. So I am going to stop this video, and I will show you this video when this is completely exported. So let's stop the video recording. Now let's play that video and see the result of that video and result and quality. So let's see the final video. You can see this is the video. So you can see the size and length. So let's play it. So you can see it produced a very better and best quality. So we have not selected the high quality. This was the better quality, but you can see this is very great. You can see this is very beautiful. So you can see effects are working well and everything is working very beautiful. So that's it for this video.